Hello, everyone. My name is Oscar Fernay Vargas Leon. I am from Colombia, Bogota. I identify with ID number 1072746463. This is my document. I am policeman. I am living in Guapi for 1 year. My experience in Cartagena was wonderful. It was in 2019 with my family. First, we were on different beaches of Cartagena, like, for example, Barú. We were also in the San Felipe Castle, and wet at night we were walking around the city, and we had dinner with my family. Finally, we went to coffee bar and shared some wines with my family. We returned to the hotel to rest. My future plan is to go to Canada to visit my cousin and learn about the different cultures that this country has. Also, when I finish my psychology program, my job, I will promoting the police major for around 3 years.